going on, YouTube? If you might remember my last briefing, I told you I was going to Arizona. And this is what I found in the parking lot of a restaurant that we're going to. BLM Fire, Bureau of Land Management. Right there, I guess the Bureau of Land Management. You can actually see what's in there. In here, I guess a toolbox and extra personal protective equipment, tools, line gear for, I guess, ropes and stuff. That's rope rescue or something. I guess this is engine 2427, or no, that's a shot number. I don't know. They have a fuel storage compartment. I guess they store their fuel. EMS supplies. I'm sure they go on a lot of, like most other fire departments do. A cooler and food. It's big for, like, especially out in this heat. I mean, I'm shutting right now. I haven't been out here 20 minutes. 5 for that matter. Engineer's gear. Hoses, fittings. I'm assuming they mean connections. Make sure this isn't too hot. It's inside the back. And then the front. This is BLM, Bureau of Land Management, one of their engine companies. They have spare tires and fence stretchers. This is obviously engine 2427. I guess they bring this thing out on, looks like field fires or something, I don't know. But I do not know what that IDTFD means. I'm going to Tucson, but it's 100 miles away from where I am right now, so I don't know. This here is, like I said, the BLM fire truck. Yeah. I'll record more when I get into Tucson, but right now that's about it on this video. Later, guys.